Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve the quadratic equations with the quadratic formula. So if we look at this, let's just first learn the quadratic formula. So we have the quadratic equation right here. And then we have the quadratic formula right here. I know the quadratic formula looks a bit scary, but it's actually pretty easy to memorize. Okay, so let's just first substitute everything. So we see that we have A, B, and C. So A, B, and C are all coefficients of x, except for C. So this A would go over here, this C would go over here, and this B would go right here. Okay, so now let's try to solve this let's try to put this into a real equation. So if we see we have x squared minus 3x minus 10. So if we see we have nothing next to x squared, so it's just 1, and that's A. So A, and then minus 3 is B, and then minus 10 is C. Okay, so let's now substitute it. So we have, x squared equals to minus B, and B equals to minus 3, so that's plus 3 plus minus square root of negative 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times AC. So A equals to 1 and C equals to negative 10. So that would actually be plus 40 over 2. So now if we add it all up, we have 3 plus minus 7, because it's equals to square root of 49, which equals to 7. And so we have 3 plus minus 7 over 2. And so that either equals to 5, because it's 10 over 2, or negative 2, because it's negative 4 over 2. And these are our final answers. Write it. These are our final answers. Now I want to see if you can do this on your own. What I want you to do is write the quadratic formula and substitute A, B, and C. Okay, so let's write down the quadratic formula. X equals to negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. And now, so if we see 5 is A, negative 11 is B, and C is 2. So it's negative B equals to negative 11, so that's 11 plus minus square root of 121 minus 4 times 10, which is 40 over 10. And so if you were to simplify everything, you would get 11 plus minus 81, square root of 81 over 10, which equals to 11 plus minus 9 over 10, which either equals to 20, which is 2, because it's 20 over 10, or it equals to 1/5, because it's 2 over 10. And so our final answers are 2 and 1/5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something out of this video.